Is Sonia Answering Uche and we are answering Nnebe.
My country people wanna be like bicycle. Sonia Uche don't finally come out, come reveal to the general public why she's answering Uche and her other siblings are answering Nnebe. Did her mother marry another husband that bettered her, or was she born out of wedlock? Find out in this video. Make sure you watch to the very end. Believe me, your answers are right there on this video, so watch till the very end. See my mom Uche Nancy hailing her daughters. Hello, make her play the video, make yourself watch. Grab your popcorn and watch till the very end.
Sonia Answering Uche and we are answering Nnebe. Oh, shames for you, Sonia.
Okay, I'm answering Sonia Uche because I choose to answer Sonia Uche. It's a choice.
A choice. I can decide to answer Ijeoma Nancy.
Yes, so supported.
Ijeoma Enu.
Supported. Enough.
Ijeoma Givers. Oh, Ijeoma Enuma. Which role or roles do you feel most comfortable portraying and why?
Most comfortable, like I said, I think the only challenging thing for me is emotional scenes. Aside that, because for me, most times what we do is make believe, just like Chineye said, and these characters are just more like things you see every day. Like you can just come out now, you see somebody behaving. Me sometimes I really like to look. Yes, you might think, oh, this girl is looking too much, but I'm looking because I might be called upon to be that person someday. So I don't think any. Yes, sometimes when you like, if I'm playing something new, something I've never ever done before, I might not pick up immediately. Like especially the first day of shooting, it's not always that easy. But with the help of the director and every other person, it's fine. I just have to pick up and then do it.
First for me, said which role do you feel most comfortable portraying and why? Comfortable. There's no comfort in acting, to be honest. There's nothing like being comfortable, because you can even say, okay, this is just a good girl role. But you have to learn to differentiate your good girl in movie A and movie B. So you can't say you're comfortable acting like a good girl. If you are good here, there has to be a difference with the one you've done here. If you are bad here, there has to be a difference here. So there's no, I can't say, oh, I'm comfortable playing this role. I don't want someone to see me as this person or have this believe that, oh, she's just good at this.
So guys, when I don't hear from the horse's mouth, say na by choice. Sonia Uche choose to answer her mother's name because that's her choice. She doesn't want to answer her father's name. So you see, it's her choice. For those of you where they always chook her eyes and mouth, say why is her own name different from her sister's own? She says that it's her choice to answer her mommy's name, which is Uche Nancy Sonia Uche. As the first daughter, she chose to answer her mother's name. Do you understand? I just decided to clarify this for those of you where they ask why is Sonia Uche answering Uche, what of Sonia Nnebe and all that. You don't hear from her mouth.